We got a comment on our previous YouTube video asking how to export a map you made inside the map workshop and import it to Godot. And today I'm going to show you how to do it pretty easily. The first thing you want to do is click the export button. That will export the tile sets used, the full composite of the map, and all of the objects. Just unzip the file and you'll see all of the assets, including the full map with everything on it. You can also see the tile set used, and this is exported in the 15 tile format. To use the 15 tile format in Godot, we have to download the tilemap dual plugin from the GitHub provided down in the description and add it into our Godot project. Just click the code tab right here and click download zip. This time I'm just going to drag and drop the add-ons folder since I don't have any other add-ons. Go to Project Settings, Plugins, and enable the plugin. Now you should be all set to add your tiles to the game. The next step is to add a new tilemap dual node. Now we need to create a tile set on the right side of the screen. Go to the bottom tabs where it says Tile Set and drag and drop your tile set image in there. Make sure you select the right size for your tiles. And now just go to the bottom tilemap tab, select Terrain, and use any of the two terrains to draw on your map. You can of course now drag and drop the objects you made, and everything is in the folder easily accessible. In the case that you want to export a composite of the map without the objects on it, you can go to the map workshop, hide all the objects, and export, and you will get exactly that. Of course, this is all up to your preference, so I thought I'd let you know the options. Same deal in Godot, just drag and drop your assets in there. And now we can drag and drop our composite map and use it as an actual map. Drag a couple of the assets in, and there we go, all set. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know what else you'd like to learn down in the comments.